welcome back. I'm your White Mage, and today we have something a little bit special. We got our box of Opus 11 Japanese and our Opus 11 starter decks in Japanese. Alright, so we're gonna get started. I'm excited to open this. I can't wait to see what we can get. Whew. Beautiful Aranea. We got foil mute and a Barthandelus. Got foil Sabin and a Marsh. Foil Kuja and an Owzer. Foil Moody and a Chaos. Foil Fencer and a Man in Black. Foil Hooded Man and a Mira. Foil Full Art Ritz. Wow, this box has been truly outstanding. Foil Owzer and an Anima. Foil Rude and a Tifa. Foil Tilica, a little hard to see. Foil Thief and a Cindy. Foil Unalesca and a Sephiroth. Foil Marsh and a Sarah. Foil Dawned and a Kuja. Foil Starter Vincent and a Sabin. Foil Monk and a Nyx. Foil Elena and a Mute. Foil Black Mage and a Warrior of Light. Foil Umaro. I think that was the card I was looking for, and right on the mark I hit it. And a Zidane. Foil Tsukinoa and an Orphan. Foil Dataluma and a Beldat. Foil Sengetsu and a Barret. Foil Theodore and a Jacked. Foil Beastmaster and a Realm. Foil Selkie and a Mira. Foil Porum and a Shadow. Foil Chocobo and a Dawned. Full Art Foil Red Mage. Oh, it's just a beautiful, beautiful card. And an Interceptor. Foil Ninja and an Ardent. I forget. Foil Anima and an Edge. Foil Ico and a Brawn. Foil Don Corneo and a Cindy. Foil Edge and a Man in Black. Foil Exodus and a Versatile. Alright, coming down to the last two packs. Foil Luca and a Maya. Alright, let's see what we can get out of this last pack. Foil Dandrine and an Ursula. That was quite a good box, at least I would say. So now let's take a look at this starter. Always vacuum sealed. Such a way that it lets you get a good sound when you first open it. Oh, Kadages. Look at that full art foil Sephiroth. Absolutely divine. And we'll do the same. Beautiful cards as always. All right. Thank you very much for watching. I've been your White Mage, and I hope you have a wonderful day.